But anyway, I love it. It's not really about the prize. It's just it was my birthday and I deserve it. Fullest, this is again Amy. So it's time to open the birthday gift. Yes, my birthday has come and has passed, even though I didn't post about it. But those who knows my birthday wish me a happy birthday, which I really appreciate. I'm not really a fan of celebrating birthday parties or doing stuff. I'm not really that kind of fan. I like to celebrate my birthdays in different ways. Most time on my birthdays I like to be alone, or sometimes I just like to travel or go outside, go for date nights or go picnic or just relax, So this year I was like, I just wanted to travel. I wanted to go out of the country. I wanted to do something nice. Just want to have fun. Just want to have a different experience. And there's these coats I have been eyeing on Zalando for the longest time. I actually wanted to buy it, but I was like, you know what? Let me just wait for my birthday. Then at least I have a reason to spend this amount of money that I'm spending on this one coat. But then I have other things on my wish list that I also want for my birthday, which I actually end up getting some from friends and family. On my birthday, I always like to buy myself something as a gift. This is just me. I don't celebrate birthdays. I don't make parties. I don't do get together with friends. I don't do any of those things. So I use that money to buy myself something that I wanted. So I've been eyeing this Ivy Oak coat for the longest time now. I wanted to get it, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just wait on my birthday. So also on my birthday, I wanted to travel. I was like, you know what? Let me just travel first. Go and have fun, and if I come back home and some change remain, I can just add something to it and buy me these coats. So when I came back and they didn't have my size, actually my size was already sold out. I was like, what? I contacted Zalando. I'm like, I want this coat. My size is 38. Please, if you guys have it in store, send me an email, because I'm a VIP member on Zalando. But they have the 36. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to miss out on this coat, because if I miss out on this coat, will I be like that? I'm going to cry. I swear to God, I'm going to cry. Because I've been wanting this. I've been postponing buying these coats, because I know it's not something that I'm going to be wearing right now. It's not something that I'm going to be wearing right now. Even when I purchased it on my birthday when I came back, it has been standing here now for like 2 weeks. I haven't touched it. So now I'm like, you know what? Let me just take it out of the box. Let me just test it and then put it back in the closet if it look good on me. So I end up purchasing size 36. My normal size is 38, but because I know the Ivy coat always looks a much bigger, so I thought, okay, 36 wouldn't be bad, because I do have a couple of Ivy's coats as well. So I got two different type of coats. I got one from Ivy Oak and I got one from another brand on Zalando as well, but they came in different, because this one from Ivy Oak came from outside of the country, so it's different. And this one came from Zalando. So I got two brown coats, two gray coats, okay? This one from Ivy Oak and this one from this other brand. And I also got this one dress that I'm like, you know what? Let me just give myself something, And so that's it. So now your girl is going to open this box. I'm going to try on this coat. I pray it fits me, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. I'm really gonna cry, because they don't have any size 38 anymore, even though I got an email back for as soon as it gets stock. If they restock it, I will be the first one to receive an email. But I don't know, sometimes with brands like this, an expensive brand like this, they don't really make that much of their items. So I'm not really sure if they're going to have it back, because it had happened to me once. Okay, there was this particular dress that I wanted to buy also for my birthday, from the same brand on Zalando, and I carelessly just play around. The reason why I didn't buy that dress, because I didn't have anywhere to go. I didn't want to go anywhere. I just wanted to have the dress. That's all. But I was like, okay, let me just wait a little bit, maybe. And then I end up didn't buy any. They end up didn't having my size anymore. And I sent an email up till this day. I got an email back like, yeah, the thing is sold out completely. We didn't have a lot in store anymore. So I didn't want to take the risk on this particular coat. I love it. So I just pray it fits. So let's me open it and test it out. I'm going to show you guys, of course, the two coats and also the dress, and you guys tell me which one you like. Listen, you guys just tell me, just for the excitement, tell me which one you like. But I know I'm gonna keep both. I already know I'm gonna keep both. If I like them, I'm gonna keep both, because I'm not really a fan of returning stuff. I barely return stuff back. I know I'm gonna like it because I've watched the pictures. I think about it over and over, so I know I'm gonna like it. And yeah, stay tuned. Let me unbox it and let me just try it on and show you guys what it looks like on me. Try out the outfits. I'm gonna first start with this coat because the ivy coat I've already tested and I really like it. So this is this one. It's quite long. I really like it as well. I love the fact, I love the neck area. I love the design on the neck, and also the back. It has a belt, but you cannot like tie it, so it's okay. So let's test this. This was my outfit today for church. It's looking kind of rumpled, but it's okay. So this is 38. Okay. I love the length. I love how long it is. Oh, the sleeves. The sleeve, maybe I need to bring it to the tailor so that they can adjust it. But sometimes I really do not mind an oversized look when an outfit, especially when it comes to coats and blazers. I like it a little bit when it's like more of on the oversized side. I like it. And the length of this one is quite amazing. You can leave it opened or you can close it like this. And I love the fact it has a pocket. For me, I normally just like to leave my coats opened. I like it open like this. When you have a dress underneath, whatever you have underneath, you just leave it opened like this, and that's it. The pocket is huge. The pocket is really huge. I kind of like it. I really like it. Now I'm having two gray coats with like not the same design. Actually, it's not the same. But you know what? You can't go wrong with having two gray coats. Actually, you can't go wrong, and I kind of like it. I really like it. So definitely both of this is gonna stay. This is going to stay. It's going to stay. I like it. It's going to stay. I like it. So this is going to stay. Yes, this is staying. Now let's try the ivy coat. I already tried it. I love it. You guys can see the design. Okay, this is cute. I love it. 36. I was scared that this coat is gonna be small, but I'm happy as well that I picked up 36 because I've noticed one thing with the ivy oak their items. It's much more on the sizes are always on the bigger size. Even on the 38, the ones I have 3 of their coats. On 38 is a little bit more bigger, but it doesn't matter. I like this one. I love the length. I just wish it would have been a little bit longer, just few inches longer, like the black one. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I really like it, and I feel like the 36 is perfect. I'm really happy that I actually pick up the 36 because this is amazing, and you can tie it like this. I don't mind. This is for winter. This is actually for winter. This is not for summer, but you can actually definitely wear this in the summer. If you know Holland weather, the weather twists and turns around, so definitely you can pull this off. I love it. I love the material, the texture. I just love it. It's beautiful. It's really nice. I love the design. I love it. You know, I really like it. I really love it. So now I can actually now put this one back into the closet. I don't have to leave the box just lying down around here. So yeah, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I love it. I love it. The pocket is huge. It's wild. Oh my god. Just see me out there with all black outfits and wearing a gray coat. Or maybe something different. I don't know. But I love it. I love it. I love coats. I just love coats. This is it. So now it's time to try out this dress. This dress. This dress. Let's try out this dress. Black, and I just thought, you know what? Nothing wrong. Let's just pick it up. It's black. You can never go wrong with black. So yeah. Let me try this one for you guys. I'm really happy I picked this one up. Like, where can you go wrong? You cannot go wrong with this one. It's black. It fits perfectly. The only thing I feel a little bit like tight here. I know if I gain a little bit more, maybe it might be a little bit too tight. But till then, I can have 1 or 2 pictures in here. You know, I love it. It's black. Black looks good on me, regardless for the fact that I love black. But blacks look good on me. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so elegant. It's so sexy. Like, yo, the material feels so good. What do you want to tell me? It looks good. It looks good. It looks so good. Like, you can style this in so many ways. You can style this like this. You can put something underneath and then put this on top. You can, with coats, different ways for you to style this. Okay? Perfectly match. Like, come on. What do you want to tell me? What do you want to tell me? It looks so beautiful. Looks really nice. I love this dress. Okay, just that right now it's just a bit too hot to wear this dress with this coat. Okay, you can actually wear the dress on its own, and in the winter you can like style up the dress a little bit, and then you can wear this in the winter. Oh, like this dress with this coat and this black heels and this hairstyle and this makeup and this face and this body is giving. It's giving. It's really giving. I love it. Like, I don't know, I love it. I just saw this dress and something in me just tell me this dress is gonna look good on you. Do you need it? Nah. Should you have it? Yes, you should have it. I love it. It looks so beautiful. So yeah, guys, this is my birthday gift. It was my birthday and I deserve it. And I feel like it's much more better for me doing stuff like this than having a birthday party, inviting a bunch of people. And I am an introvert, so going to events and parties with different people, I can be sometimes a little bit overwhelmed. Reasons why, if I go out with my friends, I always look for something to drink. I'm always drinking. I'm always having 1 or 2 glasses of wine before entering the premises, because then I'm a bit calm. So for me as an introvert, this is the perfect way to celebrate my birthday. Just buy something for myself and celebrate myself instead of throwing a party, inviting a bunch of people. Yeah, this is just me. So Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.